Hi everyone, I'm Sharifah Nurul Atira binti Mukdin. I want to present about hepatitis. Hepatitis is an inflammation of the liver. It is usually the result of a virus infection or liver damage caused by drinking alcohol. Hepatitis have five types, which is A, B, C, D, and E. The symptoms of hepatitis are muscle and joint pain, a higher temperature, being sick, feeling unusually tired all the time, a general sense of feeling unwell, dark urine, pale and gray of color blue, and last one, yellowing of the eyes and skin. For prevention, I'm focused for hepatitis B and hepatitis C because they are chronic disease for hepatitis. Hepatitis B infection can be provided by vaccine and HBIG soon after coming into contact with the virus. For hepatitis C, never share needless, avoid direct exposure to blood or blood product, and last one, do not share personal care items.